Almond extract is commonly used in cookies and cakes to give them a delicious, deep flavor. Many avid bakers will keep it on hand, as they use it regularly in baking. If you have it in your pantry, you may wonder, does almond extract go bad? Almond extract gives baked goods a delicious flavor without overpowering the entire dish. It is commonly sold at most grocery stores, and you can even make it on your own at home. It is a great ingredient to have in your pantry for making various baked goods. How long does almond extract last? So you probably are wondering, does almond extract expire? Like most extracts, it does have a long shelf life. However, over time it will lose its flavor. Typically, the almond extract will last for 3 to 4 years long when properly stored. It is capable of lasting this long even if it is opened or unopened. It can last so long since it is made with alcohol. After 3 to 4 years, it will begin to lose its flavor. Though it will likely still be safe to use, it will not give your baked goods that wonderful, deep flavor. For the best results, be sure to use it within 4 years. How to store it properly? For almond extract to last as long as possible, you need to properly store it. Store it in a cool, dark area such as a pantry. Avoid keeping any extracts in a warm, humid environment. In addition, you do not want to keep your extracts in direct sunlight. This will cause them to go bad much quicker than they would when stored in a pantry. Be certain to keep the lid tightly on your extract when not using it. There is no need to store it in the fridge or freezer. What is almond extract made of? Despite being made of almonds, the almond extract does not have an almond flavor. It has a rich, sweet flavor that pairs nicely with chocolate, vanilla, cherry, and coffee flavors. Almond extract is made by combining almond oil from bitter almonds with alcohol and water. There is also an imitation version that is made with peach pits or apricot pits. Artificial almond contains an ingredient called benzaldehyde. Ideally, you want to stick with pure almond extract to get the best flavor for your desserts. This will also last the longest, and it is the highest quality option available on the market. Uses for almond extract. Almond extract has many uses for desserts and baked goods. Many people don't even realize how many recipes out there use it as an ingredient to provide a sweet, rich flavor. One of the most popular uses for almond extract is making cookies. Many popular Christmas cookies use it, such as spritz cookies, snowdrops, almond macaroons, and butter cookies. They provide a delicious flavor that makes for a mouth-watering, sweet cookie. In addition, it is a popular ingredient in cake recipes. It is commonly used for vanilla cakes, pound cakes, almond cakes, and bundt cakes. In addition, many wedding cakes will also use it as well. Other desserts such as pastries, cobblers, pies, and much more. It pairs well with many flavors including vanilla, chocolate, coffee, cherry, and more. You can even add it to waffles, ice cream, and pancakes if you like. When using it in a recipe, a little bit goes a long way. It has a strong flavor, so you don't want to use too much when you are baking with it, otherwise, it will overpower the entire dessert. How to make your homemade version. Though you can buy almond extract at grocery stores, you can also easily make your own. Making your extract is simple to do and can even save money as well. To make your homemade almond extract, you will need vodka and unsalted almonds. Simply slice half a cup of raw unsalted almonds into thin slivers. Add the slivered almonds into a small jar or glass with a tight lid, preferably amber in color, and then add 8 ounces vodka. Amber bottles are ideal as they prevent any light from penetrating the bottle. However, you can also use clear bottles as well. Both plastic and glass bottles are acceptable to use for your extract. Allow the mixture to sit at least 5 to 6 weeks before using. It needs to sit for at least 5 or 6 weeks for the rich flavor to develop. Store it in your pantry in a cool, dark area away from sunlight. Before every use, make sure to shake your homemade almond extract. The contents will settle over time. If desired, you can also strain your extract to ensure that is fine. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.